Welcome to Decorio Studio, where we bring you the finest home decor ideas and inspirations for your living space. Today we are stepping inside a multi-million-dollar living room to explore stunning Christmas-inspired winter home decor ideas. Get ready to transform your home into a high-end winter wonderland with these luxurious styling tips and festive trends. The grand entrance experience. First impressions are everything when entering a luxury home during the festive season. A multi-million-dollar living room begins with a grand entrance that sets the tone for the entire winter theme. Think oversized wreaths with velvet ribbons and soft golden lights that welcome guests with warmth and sophisticated elegance right at the front door. Layering different textures like eucalyptus and pine creates a rich sensory experience as people walk in. This approach ensures that the holiday spirit is felt immediately through sight and scent. By focusing on high-quality greenery and subtle metallic accents, you establish a cohesive look that flows naturally from the foyer directly into the main living area of the house. Neutral palettes and snowy whites. Luxury winter decor often leans into a sophisticated palette of cream beige and crisp snowy whites. This color scheme mimics the serene beauty of a fresh snowfall, while maintaining an airy and expensive feel within the room. Using neutral tones allows the architectural details of a high-end living space to shine without being overwhelmed. Incorporate white faux fur throws and plush velvet pillows to add physical warmth to the cool color palette. These materials invite comfort and relaxation, making the large living space feel intimate and cozy. By mixing different shades of white and off-white, you create depth and visual interest that feels curated rather than cluttered for a high-fashion look. To prevent the room from feeling too cold, add subtle touches of champagne gold or brushed silver. These metallic elements reflect the soft winter light and add a layer of shimmer that feels incredibly festive. The goal is to create a space that feels like a polished winter sanctuary, where every element contributes to a sense of calm and luxury. Oversized trees and statement ornaments. A multi-million-dollar living room demands a Christmas tree that matches its grand scale and height. Opt for a towering 12 to 15-foot tree that serves as the undisputed focal point of the interior design. Placement is key, so ensure the tree is framed by large windows or positioned near a grand fireplace for maximum impact. Decorate your statement tree with oversized ornaments in varying finishes such as matte mercury glass or high-gloss lacquer. Mixing scales creates a professional look that fills the branches beautifully without leaving any empty gaps. Stick to a refined color story to ensure the tree looks like a piece of art rather than just a traditional holiday decoration. Don't forget the power of ribbon cascading down the tree to add movement and grace to the design. Use wide wired ribbons in silk or velvet to create structured bows and elegant swirls. This technique adds a designer touch that is often seen in the most exclusive homes during the winter season, giving your tree a truly custom and expensive appearance. Fireplace, mantels, and soft glows. The fireplace is the heart of any winter living room and deserves a mantel display that is both lush and layered. Start with a heavy base of real or high-quality faux cedar garland draped elegantly across the stone or wood. Allow the ends to trail toward the floor for a dramatic and high-end aesthetic. Introduce various heights by placing tapered candles and crystal votives among the greenery to create a warm, flickering glow. The play of light against the needles adds a magical quality to the room during long winter evenings. This soft illumination is essential for creating an inviting atmosphere that encourages long conversations and festive gatherings by the fire. Complete the look with minimalist stockings and high-end fabrics like linen or cashmere hanging from discreet hooks. Avoid overly bright patterns and instead choose solid colors that complement the room's overall theme. This restrained approach to the mantel ensures that the fireplace remains a sophisticated focal point that radiates holiday cheer without sacrificing the room's modern luxury style. Metallic accents and glass details. Incorporating metals like gold, copper, and silver adds an instant touch of glamour to your winter decor. In a multi-million-dollar setting, these accents are used sparingly, but effectively to catch the light and add a sense of opulence. Look for glass coffee table trays or metallic sculptures that reflect the festive spirit in a modern way. Glass ornaments and crystal bowls filled with baubles create a translucent beauty that feels light and ethereal. These reflective surfaces help to bounce light around the room, making the space feel larger and more brilliant. The combination of glass and metal creates a sleek contrast against the soft fabrics and organic greenery found throughout the rest of the decor. Consider swapping out your regular hardware or decorative objects for pieces with a bit more shine for the season. Small changes like gold-rimmed coasters or silver-framed photos can make a significant difference in the overall mood. These fine details are what distinguish a professionally styled luxury living room from a standard holiday setup, providing a polished finish. Cozy textures and layered rugs. Winter decor is as much about how a room feels as it is about how it looks. Layering rugs is a great way to add warmth and a designer touch to a large living area. Place a smaller sheepskin or high pile rug over a larger neutral base to create a zone of comfort and luxury. The use of chunky knit blankets and mohair throws adds a tactile element that is essential for a winter-inspired home. Drape these over the backs of sofas or inside large wicker baskets to encourage a sense of hygge and relaxation. High-quality textiles in rich colors or soft neutrals provide the physical warmth needed during the colder months of the year. Mixing textures like silk, wool, and velvet creates a rich and complex environment that feels incredibly high-end. This layering technique adds depth to the room and prevents a monochrome palette from looking flat or boring. By focusing on the quality of the materials, you ensure that the living room feels as expensive as it actually is for the owners. Festive lighting and ambience. Lighting is one of the most important factors in creating a stunning winter home atmosphere. Beyond the Christmas tree light, use a variety of sources like floor lamps, table lamps, and wall sconces to create layers of light. Avoid harsh overhead lighting and instead opt for warm bulbs that emit a soft and golden glow throughout. String lights aren't just for the tree anymore, as they can be woven into garlands or placed inside glass lanterns. This subtle sparkle adds a touch of whimsy and magic to corners of the room that might otherwise stay dark. The goal is to create a balanced glow that highlights the best features of your living room decor during the night. Smart lighting systems can also be programmed to dim or change tone as the sun goes down for a seamless transition. This high-tech approach allows you to control the mood with precision, ensuring the ambience is always perfect for hosting or relaxing. Proper lighting elevates the entire decor scheme and makes the winter theme feel truly immersive and professionally executed. Organic elements and natural greenery. Bringing the outdoors in is a hallmark of luxury winter design. Use organic elements like dried orange slices, pine cones, and birch logs to add a natural and earthy feel to the room. These items provide a beautiful contrast to the more polished and metallic decorations, creating a balanced and grounded look for the holidays. Fresh eucalyptus and magnolia leaves offer a sophisticated alternative to traditional pine and fir branches. These greens provide unique textures and a wonderful fragrance that fills the entire living space with a clean winter scent. Arrange them in large ceramic vases or stone pitchers to create stunning arrangements that feel fresh and modern for a luxury home. Wood elements such as a stack of neatly cut logs by the fireplace add a rustic yet refined charm. This connection to nature makes the multi-million-dollar living room feel more approachable and lived in, while still maintaining its high-end status. Using natural materials ensures that your winter decor feels timeless and authentic rather than artificial or overproduced. Tablescapes and festive surfaces. Every surface in a luxury living room is an opportunity for festive storytelling and elegant design. Coffee tables and side tables should be styled with curated vignettes that include candles, books, and small holiday accents. A well-designed tablescape adds a layer of detail that makes the room feel complete and carefully thought out. Use trays to group items together for a clean and organized appearance on larger surfaces. A marble tray with a scented candle, a small gold reindeer, and a sprig of evergreen creates a simple yet effective winter display. These small moments of decor help to carry the festive theme throughout the entire room without cluttering the functional spaces. For hosting, consider a sophisticated bar cart setup with crystal glassware and seasonal varnishes. This adds a functional element of luxury that is perfect for holiday entertaining and social gatherings. By paying attention to these smaller surfaces, you ensure that every angle of the living room is photo-ready and filled with high-end winter inspiration for your guests. Seasonal art and final touches. The final touches are what bring a multi-million-dollar living room to life during the winter season. Consider swapping out your standard artwork for pieces that reflect a wintry landscape or a more festive color palette. This small change can have a massive impact on the overall mood and cohesiveness of the room's holiday transformation. Pay attention to the scents of the room by using high-end candles or diffusers with notes of pine, spice, and sandalwood. Scent is a powerful tool in luxury home staging and helps to create a fully immersive winter experience. These final sensory details are the secret to making a home feel truly special and memorable for everyone who enters. Thank you for joining us on this tour of stunning Christmas-inspired winter home decor ideas. We hope these tips help you create a luxurious and cozy space of your own this season. If you enjoy this video, please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Decorio Studio for more home decor inspiration and beautiful interior design ideas.